Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how we can solve this quadratic simultaneous equation, which is given to us as a root of a plus b root of b to be equals to 189, and then we also have a root of b plus b root of a to be equals to 180. Now in the first step, how do we solve this? I'll be taking it step by step on how we can easily solve this without any stress. Now the first step that you need to know in solving this is that we assume that square root of a and square root of b is x and y. Now if you assume that root a is equals to x and my root b is equals to y, so from here I can easily say, make a subject of formula. A can be equals to, take the square of both sides for this. If you take the square of both sides, then the square will cancel square roots. Then I'll be having a to be equals to a square, and then do the same thing to here. Take the square of both sides. I'll be having b will be equals to y square. Now after I've gotten this, I can easily substitute this back into my equation. Let me try this. If I substitute back into my equation, I'll be having my a is s square, this is s square, and then my root a is equals to x, then multiplied by x, plus my b is equals to y square, my root b is equals to y, then everything equals 189. The second, so I can easily solve this by saying, okay, the second equation will be equals to my a is equals to s square, my b is equals to y, my root b is equals to y, plus my b equals y square, and then my root a is equals to x, everything equals to 180. Now I've been able to substitute this value by replacing the alphabet given to us in terms of what x and y value, which will give rise to a quadratic simultaneous equation. Now how do we solve this from here? Now I can easily write these two equations in an easy way, whereby I'll be having s cubed then plus y cubed equals 189. That is my equation 1. And then I'll be having s square y plus y, or let me say, y square x equals to 180. That is my equation 2. Now let's take these two equations and solve it simultaneously. How do we solve this simultaneously? Let me try erase this off from here. Now we want to solve these two equations that is here simultaneously. Then we can easily do like this. Now let's continue. Now using elimination method, I can easily solve these two equations by subtracting the two equations. Subtract equation 2 from 1. We are going to subtract equation 2 from 1, whereby I can do it one by one. Let me try use something that is different. If I'm using, okay, let's try it like this. Now these two equations that is marked with red here, I will subtract it separately. This also was subtracted separately. Then we subtract this separately. Then I'll be having s cubed minus s square y. Let me try bracket it out, and then plus y cube minus y square x. Everything should be equals to 189 minus 180 should give rise to 9. Now from here, we notice that s square is common. If I remove s square out, I will be left with s minus y. Then from here, I can easily eliminate, I can easily remove minus y square. So if I remove minus y square from here, please note, now here I'll be left with, because if negative is being removed from positive, you notice I want to remove this minus y square. So if I remove minus y square from plus y cube, I'll be left with minus y. Then this one will be left with plus x. Everything equals 9. So I've been able to eliminate. So let me try return back. So from here, I can easily solve this by just rewriting this as s square s minus y square. Then this can be written as s minus y. Everything equals 9. Now from here, x minus y is common to both of them, so I can easily factorize x minus y out. I'll be having x minus y into brackets s square minus y square. Since s minus y is common to both of them, you can easily factorize it out. Everything equals to 9. Now this thing has been equals to 2 factor. I've been able to write this is a cubic equation whereby I'll be having 3 values of my x, but I can easily do something here. So from here, we notice that x minus y equals to 9. That means x minus y, we can easily substitute by saying x minus y equals to 9, or s square minus y square equals 9. Now, I can easily solve this simultaneously. These two equations can be solved simultaneously. Now, let's try to bring the two equations here. Let me remove something here. Now, let me remove this off. I'll be having this like this. Okay. So, if I have x minus y and then to be equals to 9, and then s square minus y square to be equals to 9 also. So we can easily do this here. Okay, now let's start again. Let's continue. Now from here, since this is equation 1 and equation 2, I can easily use substitution method. That's from equation 1, I'll be making x the subject of formula. X will be equals to 9 plus y. Then I'll substitute this x back into this my equation 2. Let's take this as equation 1, equation 2. So substitute the x back into my equation 2. I'll be having x square minus y square. Instead of that, I'll be having 9 plus y into square minus y square equals 9. So this one can easily be 9. If expanding this equation, we have 9 plus y multiplied by 9 plus y minus y square equals 9. Now this expanding this will give me 81 plus, let me say 9 times y, 9y, another 9y, that is 18y plus y square minus y square equals to 9. Equals to 9. So y square minus y square will be equals to 0. I'll be left with 18y. So I'll be having here I can make my 18y subject of formula. So which will give rise to what? 18y. Then I'll be having 9 minus 81. 9 minus 81. Then my 18y will be equals to minus 72. That will be equals to minus 72. So I'll be having minus 72. Now let's find the value of y. My value of y can easily be equals to minus 72 divided by my y will be equals to minus 72 all over 18. Sorry, let me try and eliminate this. And that will give rise to y to be equals to minus 4. Now I've gotten the value of y as equals to minus 4. So now I can easily find my value of x. Let me try erase. So what will be my value of x from here? If I erase this off, I will be having something of this kind here. So sorry, let me try to remove all this that is here. So we'll be having this. Now note, since my value of x is equals to I think 9 minus y, 9 plus y, sorry. So, and I've gotten my y to be equals to minus 4, then my x will be equals to 9 minus 4, which will give rise to 5. So my value of x is equals to 5 and my y is equals to minus 4. Now let's try to look for our a. Don't forget that root a is equals to x and my root b is equals to y. So if I find from here, I can easily get my a. Then my a will be equals to s square and my b equals to y square. Now what is my a now? The value of my a will be equals to, what is my x? My x is equals to 5, that is equals to 5 square. And then my b will be equals to, my y is equals to minus 4 square. So this one will give rise to 25. And then my b will be giving us 16. That is minus 4 square. So the value for my what? A and b. The value of my a and b should be, let me use this. So the value of my a and b should be equals to a equals 25, b equals 16. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the like button to like my video. Thank you.